Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to get started using Figma. Here's what we'll cover. To learn more about any of these topics, be sure to watch our other videos that cover them in more detail. Let's get started. Figma is absolutely free to use. To sign up for your free account, visit figma.com and click Sign Up. You can create your account using your email address or by using an existing Google account. Just provide a few more details to complete the sign-up process and we'll be ready to go. After you click Create Account, you will be taken to the file browser of your newly created Figma account. We'll also send you an email to verify your email address, which is required for some functions, so don't forget about it. The file browser is like your homepage. On the right side is where we display your files. We've provided you with some starter files to get started. Near the top right corner, you can change the sort order of your files. We can also perform many actions for files from the menu, like sharing, renaming, duplicating, and deleting. Let's delete this file for now. On the bottom right corner, you'll see a small black question mark. This is for help and feedback. Click the question mark to quickly access a number of help resources while you're working. You can visit our help center, video tutorials, user forum, and more. We don't offer live chat support, but if you're still having issues, you can select Contact Us to reach our support team. We try to reply as quickly as we can. On the left panel is where we navigate between different areas of the file browser. Right now, we are in the Recent section, which contains our most recently viewed files. This is the Draft section. Any new file you create will be placed here, unless you're creating a new file inside of an existing project. Last, we have our Deleted section. We can see the file we deleted earlier. If we accidentally delete a file, we can click the menu icon on the thumbnail and restore. We can also delete forever if needed. Use Figma's search bar at the top of the panel to locate your files by name. There's also a button to create a new team, but we'll cover that later. From the file browser, click the Import File icon in the toolbar to quickly browse and select a sketch file or figma.fig file to import. You can also drag and drop files from your desktop right into the file browser. I already have a sketch file here, so let's do that. Did you happen to notice that we haven't downloaded any applications or installers yet? That's because we've been using Figma's web application. Figma is always online, runs in your browser, and automatically saves all of your changes to the cloud as you work. If you don't like working in your web browser, we've got you covered. Select the File menu in the top left corner, then Get Desktop App, and you can download our desktop application for Windows or Mac OS. The desktop app still syncs to the cloud, so you'll always have access to our web-based collaborative features. Now that we've covered the file browser, let's talk more specifically about teams and file organization. In Figma, your files live in projects, and projects live in teams. We'll start by clicking New Team and giving our team a name. We can choose either a free starter team or a paid professional team. Let's select a free starter team since we can always upgrade later. Within our team space, we have the ability to create a new project, invite people to become a team member, enable Slack OAuth to allow people to join our team through Slack, upgrade our team, and view the admin dashboard. Let's start by inviting a few colleagues to our team. We can do this by clicking Invite a Team Member. I'll invite my coworker Joey by typing in his email address. We have the option to change the default permission level for our team members. Let's change this to Can Edit so he can create and edit files in the team. Let's switch over to Joey's Figma account. Since Joey doesn't yet belong to the Superstar team, the team does not appear in his sidebar. In the top right corner of the toolbar, we can see Joey has an unread notification. If he clicks the bell icon, there's an invitation waiting to be accepted. He'll do that now. Now, Team Superstar appears in the sidebar. Since Joey also has edit permissions, he can create projects and invite team members just like we did. Let's return to our own view to continue. A free starter team allows you to have up to 2 editors and 3 projects. When your team grows, you'll want to consider the benefits of a professional team. Let's pretend our company just hired our 3rd designer, Sarah, and we'd like to start collaborating with her on our travel app. We'll click Upgrade Superstar in our team space and upgrade to a professional team. Since we know our team will not grow beyond 3 editors, we'll choose the annual option to save 20% off the monthly rate. It's important to remember that any additional editors added to the team will be charged at the monthly rate of $15 per month per editor. Let's click on the option to add additional seats and change this to 3, 1 for each of our editors. After entering our credit card information, we'll accept the terms and upgrade our team. With our colleagues invited, we'll create a new project for a travel app that our team will be working on. You can see there is a small drop-down menu available when creating our project. This is for controlling the default project permissions. By default, projects are set so everyone on the team can edit. Other options like can view and invite only are available for professional teams. For easy access, our new project appears both in our team space and in the sidebar on the left. We can remove projects from our sidebar by unstarring them. Let's click into our travel app project by clicking on it in the sidebar. Looking at the center of the toolbar, we can see the folder organization is a project named Travel App, which belongs to our Superstar team. We've created our team, Superstar, and a project, Travel App. Now it's time to create our first file. We can create a new file by clicking the plus icon in the top left corner of the toolbar, or by clicking New File in the file browser. Now we're in the Figma editor, and this is where the real magic happens. Be sure to check out Getting Started, the Figma editor, to learn more.